Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Trades with Abdi. Today is Tuesday morning, November the 28th. We did take a loss yesterday of $419, putting our account at $26,074 as of this morning. So hopefully we get some good trades in this morning to finish off the month of November. With that being said, let's get right into it. All right, as you guys can see, we have Tesla, NVDA, and Amazon on the watch list this morning. To start off with Tesla, as you guys can see on the daily chart, Tesla been consolidating in this range between that 234 and that 240-ish level. Yesterday, same, been consolidating between those ranges. Did break through that 234 after open, but got bought back up, and I've been consolidating here after hours as well as pre-market. But the market as a whole looks pretty weak, and it is due for a pullback as it is somewhat of extended. So if we do get some sell-off this morning, I'm looking for a break of pre-market low as well as that 234, possibly down to that yesterday's low. So that's the game plan on Tesla. Next we got NVIDIA. NVIDIA, as you guys could see on the daily chart, it had a really nice move to the upside, pretty bullish. And as you guys could see, we're getting some pullback here. It is overly extended, so it is due for a pullback. And yeah, as you guys could see here yesterday, pretty choppy, didn't go nowhere, trading in the range as well as after hour as well as pre-market. So what I'm looking for on NVIDIA is break of that pre-market low and possibly break of that 479, 480 key level, and all the way down to that yesterday's low as well. So hopefully we get some sell-off going as the market is pretty weak this morning in pre-market. Next we got Amazon. On Amazon, you guys can see really nice bullish run, and as you guys can see, pretty choppy yesterday, and we started to get some sell-off here by the end of the day. Been consolidating after hour. We're getting some sell-off here in pre-market as well, so we already sitting down below that yesterday's we got below that yesterday's low, so it's looking like it's pretty weak here in pre-market. So what I want to be looking for is if it do stay around that level, that 146, and before the market opens, and I'm looking for a break of that pre-market low possibly, and looking for a move down to that 145 level. So on all these trades, obviously, like I always say, we wait for the price action. We wait the price to tell us where it's going. Once we identify the price action and the trend, we wait for the key levels either to retest to those levels or break of those key levels. It's that simple. Stop overcomplicating day trading with bunch of indicators and bunch of bear flag, all these patterns and whatnot. Keep it simple. With that being said, market is going to open here in about 2 minutes or so. I'll see you guys if we do find any setups. All right, here comes NVIDIA. In their 15 contracts at 470. We're picking up some momentum here to the downside, finally picking a direction here on the market. Got break of that 481. Looking for break of that 479. Possibly has a room down to that 477-ish. I'm probably not going to hold it all the way to that level, but just looking for a quick scalp, hoping for a break of that 479. There's that break of 479. All right, I'm gonna exit there. 15 contracts all out at 530. Wow, I could have sworn I was just up $1,000. That was pretty bad fill. But the reason I exited, look at that aggressive pullback. What a move. All in all, we're up 867. So honestly, a pretty pretty decent profit, can't complain. Pretty good trade, but the market, the way these prices moving this morning is pretty aggressive. A lot of fake outs, so I'm probably gonna sit out the rest of the day unless we get a really nice setup. But look at this sell off with that aggressive pullback. So we might have to just sit cash. We are up 867, so not a bad trade.